mai deuh chanela kan lo lo ma che ei chana pang pakhat chuan thok le khata apumpuya rilte chu achan vek meile he me chana pang hi tuna chuan kumsom paruka upa to ni in aming chu salma bashir ani a ama hi egypt mi ani nge bok ani salma hi tuna chuan nun tharin pennsylvania a achung tinen ancheng ve mek boka he me chana pang hian avoi khatna transplant alo ti to a ama ero chu van dwai thlak takin atak sapeng te chuan alorem the hau lo meya adam khochwa ve theinan avoi ni nan transplant dang ati le chu angai ani.
Yeah, I haven't eaten for 10 years. All the nutrition I get is my TPN, so I don't technically need to eat. TPN is total parental nutrition. It is a bag full of fluids. It has all the nutrition you need.
He avoid ni natur transplant da hian voi khat na ain sumlama bo asen so aturu in ahautak le a he a in zai pui voi ni natura hian pumpui ril thar thin thar mei ba ka kal thar amamo telbok ti in doctor ti chuan an soi telbok ani avoi ni na atana surgery anti tur hi insen po aturu don lea anma ni lamatang chuan ti thei an nei lo ani bere puina te bai vai takin an han dil kwal ve nak naka van nei thak tak main avoi ni na atan a transplant ti na tur chu GoFundMe page atangin US dollar million thum lai mai chu adong ve hlau mai ani salmai chung te hi tuna hian lo tu visa mangin USA a hian an cheng ve mek bok ani salmai zaina tur an campaign sakna a po hian eng insurance company ma in anti sak thailo tur thu an soibok ani he van dwaina atola hian salmai chu kumngami lek ni in anram injipa chuan chungko chulmanga ankal mek lai ani boka salmai soidan chuan chulmanga ankal na a chuan pul an siam thar pakhat hi auma kalve a wachena wa infiam vel chu achak hle a awacheng tange nge a nuampo atingang mei ama ero chu reivak lo nuwa chuan pul mong top tui hip na chuan atang palh lau mea.
After 2 weeks of me receiving my transplant, I had my first rejection. After another month or so, another one. I had a total of about 5 or 6 rejections, and it was so bad that they opened me up to remove that one organ, which was only small intestines, and they found out that the rejection had spread, so they actually had to remove my small intestines, which I got transplanted, and my large intestines. As well, my bladder was ruptured in the process, and yeah, whenever they took everything out.
Van dwai thlak tak mein chu tui hip na chuan apumpuya rilte chu a hip sakta ni in salmai chuan asoyani accident ato atanga tharei lo te nuwa chuan salmai le achung te chu in entir turin US lam chu an panta a salmai nun na an chan thei nan chuan salmai nu le pa de chuan thei top cho in local TV channel atangin puina te an handil kwala mi in phal de awang chawin avoi khat in zaina tur chu an mu thei phata ani
Also need money for admissions, money for complications, for home care, pre-op, evaluation. They need the money for everything.
Here, everything's like cost. Everything's cost. Every admission, every visit, every clinic, every labs.
Mi te angin nun phungpa ngai nei ve theilo ma se alanun ve miau awangin ama po chuan adam khochwa ve theinan chel taka omzel chu angai ani ama ero chu van dwai thlak tak main avoi kha transplant ti kha atak sanen an mil theilo thu chu alo shilia ain zaizo nu changa tharuk nuwa chuan a pumpui lemte chu an paisak leta ani salmai hian aka atang hian eile in chu soilo tui tak nyal po a in theilo ani awalainat om cm bandwaina hi chu kan chunga atlak hi chuan alungai thlakin tingeina awang du hle thin ani chu wang chuan kan tong taina a salmai hi kan shevering donia kalome
One touch and you got me stoned, higher than I've ever known.